And welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on my Cards with Robin projects and using arched wishes to create this birthday card. And really what I wanted to show you is how to create this background because it's very easy and lots of fun. You get to get a little messy, which I love. So you need to get two colors of Distress Oxide, or you can use regular ink if you want, but the Distress Oxides blend really nicely. And I prefer to start with the lightest color. So I'm going to start with the pink and go down the middle. And these brushes are lovely, but they do not actually pick up that much ink each time you go around. So you are going to have to go back and forth quite a bit of times. Now, as you do this, you're going to want to put a bit on there because you're going to be blending the blue with the pink at some point. So you just need to create this zone here of pink. And I probably could be putting more ink on here, but I'll tell you what, when you do, all of a sudden it's way too much and you regret it. So sometimes it's best to just say, you know, it's slow and easy is the way to go. So we'll give that a shot and see if that's enough. We'll take so I was using, this is Kitsch Flamingo, and this one is tumbled glass. So now we'll try adding our blue. We may as well start in the corner and work our way in. You can see that when I come down off the ink and I just blop somewhere, you end up with a big block that you may not want. So if you can come in from the side with circles, you will be more effective. So this technique is easy. It does take a minute just because the way the ink is, it doesn't glom on or come easily. Oops. And then at some point, we want to make sure that we are blending the two colors together in some zone. You don't want the blue to cover all of the pink, but you definitely want it to make some of that purple show. You can do this as light or as dark as you want. And then I guess we go on the bottom. I'm going to pause it so you don't have to watch me do the whole bottom, and then we'll bring it together at the end. Got my blue down. Now what I'm going to do is take the pink one last time and just make sure. I think my pink has more ink on it anyway. Maybe I need to start storing these upside down. That would probably be beneficial. Then you just add some more pink down that middle. Make sure you get some of those purple lines and you're all set. And then once you put the pretty, what is this, arch on there, you've got a nice fun background. That's every card is going to be different and it's your very own. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.